Today I wanna talk about understanding of personal budgeting from basics. This topic is very useful for you if you don't know about what is budgeting. Okay, so budgeting means budgeting is a plan for managing your income or your expenses to achieve your financial goals. If you want to achieve your financial goals, then you have to understand what is your expenses and what is your income. Okay, so in this video I will tell you the complete strategy how to manage our expenses or income um, to achieve our financial goals. So if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe the channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So I have some data to achieve our financial goals through your budgeting habits. Okay, so if you live in United States, okay, so I have some data from United States, so you can easily understand. Okay, and if you are living in United States, so you can relate easily. So budgeting habits of Americans in 2023. So this data I have found from Google. Okay, so you can easily find out, but I have this data from national National Foundation Survey from 2023. Okay, so 40% people in the United States have a budget. If you have budget means budget is a plan for managing income or expenses to achieve our financial goals. Okay, so 40% people in the United States, they are living with budget. Okay, but 60% people, they don't have any budget, and they don't have any plan to achieve their financial goals and how to manage their income or expenses to achieve their goals. They don't have plan. Okay, this data from National Foundation Survey in 2023. Okay, next I want to tell you financial status of Americans in 2023. Okay, financial status here 78% living paycheck to paycheck and 22% others. This data also in 2023, but now 2025, so you can manage easily. So there are no any updated data, so I found this only, so I take it. So now you understand what the importance and how do we manage our budget. So I have next plan. Next plan is very simple. I think you have heard. It is 50-30-20 rule. Okay, 50-30-20 rule is a simple starting point. Very simple starting point. 50 means needs. You have to spend your 50% of your income on your needs, like essential expenses like housing and food. Next, 30% of your income you have to spend on your bonds, means non-essential desires such as entertainment. And 20% of your income you spend or you save or savings or debt repayment, financial goals and debt reduction. Now you understand this form, this rule. Rule is 50-30-20. 50% means your needs and 30% your wants, 20% your savings or debt repayment. Okay, now 30, let's understand this rule from $4,000 income. If your income $4,000, So you can spend your income and you can divide your income in these three aspects: 50, 30, 20 rule. Okay, 50% means $2,000 for needs and $800 for your savings and $1,200 for your bonds. You understand? So I think you have to follow, and you should follow this rule, and you can easily your financial goals rather than your expenses, your income, etc. But our motive is we have to achieve our financial goals like homes or our jobs and other things. Okay, entertainment. So here, next, I have adjusting for your life goals. Intermediate strategy, not advanced strategy. This it is only intermediate strategy. So here, a journey to home ownership, a 5-year savings plan. It is from National Association of Retailers 2024 data. In 2024, average US homebuyers starts savings for a down payment. Okay, but in 2029, it will be changed because home buyers achieve savings goals and prepare for home purchase. So you understand, in 2024 situation in the US and in 2029 situation. Sorry. Okay. Next, increased saving allocation. So here also pros and cons. Okay. So first see pros. Pros here: faster down payment, accelerate the timeline for achieving $60,000 down payment, financial security, enhance overall financial stability and preparedness for future expenses. Reduce debt, lowers and needs, worrying reducing long-term debt burden. Next, here also cons. Cons means like your lifestyle change. If you change, then require sufficient adjustment to daily spending habits. Next, delayed gratification, postpone immediate enjoyment for long-term financial goals. So here you understand, if you increased the savings allocation, so like cons here, if you follow these points, and pros also here, if you follow these things. Okay, so you understand this data also very important here. So if you follow our basic rule, 50-30 rule, so you can easily get it. And if you don't follow, and if you go through this rule, okay, so I think it will be something bad. So let's see. Next, I have advanced budgeting plan. But advanced budgeting plan is zero-based budgeting. What is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting means here some allocation for your budget. If you focus on your income first, our first point is you have to focus on your income, total financial resources available. And if you are not earning from your from available resources, so it's something bad. But I think you should start. Next, you focus on your needs, essential expenses for survival, not other things, only essential expenses for your survival. Next, you focus on your wants. Okay, discretionary spending for your enjoyment, and you then focus your savings, funds reserved for future use, and you focus also on your investments, assets for long-term growth. Okay, so if you follow this fifth point, and in the last point Our last point, investment is very useful for you. If you focus on your future and if you focus on your instant time, then you focus on your needs or wants only. Okay, here I have budgeters achieving financial goals. Budgeters achieving financial goals. Here they have 65% zero based budgeters and 35% traditional budgeters. Okay, so if you follow your 35% traditional budgeters, it's a very bad plan for you, because this is very traditional and there are no use at this time. But if you follow zero based budgeters, and if you are a zero based budgeter, okay, so it will be good in the future. I hope you understand about budget. Okay, so how to finance, how to understand our personal budgeting plans strategy. Okay, so I think I already told you about this. Okay, so if you like this information, then like, share the video, also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video. Bye soon.